What is good? Fuck, good. Everyone. Shoobs here. This is so scuffed. What is good, everyone? Shoobs here. Today we have a very special video that has been honestly in the works for the last 6 months or so, and I'm very happy to finally have it come to fruition. I teased a little bit on my Instagram, go follow that if you haven't, it's not Shoobs, and have a feeling that many of you can already guess what I'm about to show, but let's talk about how we got here. So back in June, I began working with my boy Fropsy on a design for a anime themed keyboard. Now you probably guessed what anime it was based off from my desk mat, but yeah, I'm a huge fucking fan of that show. I essentially wanted the design to be all of my favorite things, featuring Corsa sides from the famous OTD360C, top and gummy O-ring compatibility, a TKL, and of course that good weep shit. Anyways, lots of pain, lots of waiting, and a lot of coping later, it finally arrived, and let me tell you right now, it's fucking beautiful. Well folks, here is the board, codenamed Okabe, cause you know, I had to get the matching keyboard for all my endless Kurisu merchandise. It was only right. God, it looks so fucking good. I'm even wearing gloves right now to keep my filthy, cursed hands away from destroying it. This board right here is both gummy O-ring and top mount compatible, featuring this cute as fuck, look at this shit, this cute as fuck stainless steel UPA. This is also interchangeable, by the way, so I was thinking of getting some other different materials made later down the line, but god, this looks so damn good. It has a big copperweight inside which pokes through to show the alpha timeline within the show. Also no bump-ons because it looks cleaner and it's gonna sit on my desk mat or for display most of the time. But if you guys don't know, the alpha timeline is the timeline that Okabe goes to after, spoiler alert, the starting point of the show, and I think it is a very nice touch to the board. It does this honestly fucking perfect. Oh, I gotta show the sides as well with the Corsa sides. God damn. So for a board this special to me, I decided I gotta really treat it right. For the switches, we'll be going with these broken in Cherry MX Blacks, lubed with 205 grade 0, spring swap to 55 gram TX medium springs, and filmed with Deskies. This combo right here is my absolute favorite in terms of my daily drivers. As for the stabilizers, we'll be using these really nice pre-tool clip-ins with some Cannon Keys wires, lubed with 205 grade 0. And finally, for the keycaps, I went and got myself OG Desco straight from a vintage board. I thought it would be only right to put a old set with some modern components with the whole time traveling theme of Steins Gate and all that. Maybe I'm doing a little too much, but I don't really care. This is my board and I'm really fucking hyped. I'm so fucking hyped for this shit. Oh yeah, before we start the build, look at the shit that Fropsy put in here. This is his logo, the dead eyes. Put the little eyebrows on there too for the collab. But the internals, are a bit memey, but I think that's what makes this board really special, because, you know, it was a fun project to do together. Welcome to another episode of Ashkeebs Talks without a fucking script. Very exciting video, this one. As you guys can tell, I am quite excited. We're going with... Actually, we don't even have to mention the switches. I already did. What should we talk about? How are you guys doing? Thank you guys so much for 76k. Oh, talking about weeb and anime. Okay, Steins Gate is one of my favorite shows, but right now there's a show called Osama Ranking. Oh my fucking god. It's so good. It's so good. You guys have to watch it. Don't mind the art style. It's actually goated. Go watch it. Well, here is the board. Changed up the F and J to some other OG scoops I had, because I cannot use nipples or bars, and scoops are far superior, and my opinion is fact. Also have to throw in some resin on here, and this set does come with slightly more yellowed keys, but overall I think this looks very, very nice. And let's be honest here, I think I'm going to be extremely biased, but what do you guys think? I think this older, more classic look on this board fits it pretty damn well. Anyways, that was the build. It turned out fantastic. It's got that higher pitched gummy O-ring sound that I'm looking for, and I'm quite happy with how this board types and feels. Fropsy did a great job. I'm fucking real happy right now, and this sounds very nut as well. Really fits my personal preference as well. Big shout out to Fropsy, Karma, and everyone that was involved in this project with helping me out with the board, the desk mat, and the SVGs and all the engravings and all that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching, and yeah, this is one big thing off my bucket list. Maybe some more custom weeb boards in the future as well, because who knows, this whole project was very, very fun, and yeah, I am quite satisfied. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video till the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this build. It was a very special build for me. I am a huge Steins Gate and Kurisu simp, as you can tell, and it was a very good experience, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.